For this snowman bed spring craft, you're of course going to need a bed spring, and we always find these bed springs online on eBay or at flea markets or yard sales or antique malls. You just have to look around your local places and see if you can find any old bed springs. They also come in a variety of sizes, so it's good to have variations of height. You're then going to want some greenery stems. I always get these at Hobby Lobby. And you just start off by twisting it around the very top circle of the bed spring, and you just want to wind it around and around and around to cover up that metal, because you're going to be gluing a snowman head to the top of it, and you need something to stick it to other than just the metal. After completely wrapping it around the entire top circle, you're then going to take a snowman head of your choice. Again, this is something you're just going to have to shop around for. There's a variety of places to find different snowman heads. Or you can also just make your own if you're interested in sewing and you like to make your own things from scratch. This one happens to have a cute little hat, and it was originally an ornament, but I already cut off the string. And just to glue it down, I use hot glue and press the head on the top of the bed spring and hold it really tight until it's nice and stuck. Now this piece of greenery, it's not a very big difference, but I usually use a smaller size to go around the springs below. So I'm going to be cutting 3 small pieces to wrap around just those 3 metal loops, just the front of them, to give it a little bit of extra decoration, a little bit of greenery. Also, my mom is the one that usually always makes these, but for a video idea, she was fine with me showing you how she makes them. And I'm also going to show you at the end of this video how she decorates different ones and just a variety of different bed springs she's already made. Then after covering those 3 little pieces with greenery, I also added some buttons. Another idea you can do are jingle bells. It's really cute because they do bobble a little bit and the jingle bells jingle whenever you set them around in your house. And all you have to do is take 3 skinny pieces of metal, cut those into small pieces, and then loop them through the buttonholes and wrap them around nice and tight around the greenery. The greenery again just allows it to have some tooth to grab a hold of so it's not sliding around on that metal piece. I decided to do a red, white, red pattern with the buttons going down the front. And in case you're wondering, we sell these at our local craft show that we do every year, and depending on how big they are and how much money we have in the heads that we've purchased and the other supplies, they range from anywhere between $9.95 and $13.95. That's how much we sell them for. And one last little detail is this cute red and black buffalo plaid ribbon I thought matched the hat the best. I was trying to find a variety of ribbons, and this one was the best one that matched his little hat, and I put that right under his chin, and he's actually all done. It's that fast and simple, really quick, cute project. We definitely have people that come back year after year in our craft show and say they buy a new one every year. They're really super popular, and honestly, any snowman head or any cute festive head that you can find. It doesn't have to just be snowmen. It can be Santa Claus. We've even had a cute little moose one time. Sometimes I've seen teddy bears. So really you can have a variety. But here I'm just showing you the snowmen that my mom had already completed. So some of these I have found at Hobby Lobby. Others, like the snowman on the very far left, is a snowman head from a company called Honey and Me, which is actually a wholesale company, but sometimes you can buy things online just yourself, like we don't have a wholesale license ourselves. Or if you find a pop-up booth at a fall festival, Honey and Me sometimes does that, so you'll just have to check out their website and see. Now we also have these cute little gnomes. Some of them also are from Hobby Lobby and Honey and Me, but again, just look around and see what floats your boat, what you like, what you think is cute. And you can also see there's a variety of heights. Some are short, some are tall, and I realize that most of these have little buttons on the front, so I think the rest of them we're going to probably be making little jingle bells down the front of them, but they're just super cute. There's always somebody who comes in and thinks they're so unique and different. So definitely if you are interested in a different craft, a unique craft, this would be something for you, right up your alley probably. And here again are just a variety in this last little scene. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.